Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And there's something I wanted to talk about, and that's a few things. Is the batteries, the chip shortages, and some of the vital manufacturing components. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So, all right. Many of you may know that the demand for Tesla is absolutely through the roof. They're actually selling vehicles faster than they can produce them. So this seems to be a new issue, but it's a good problem, but it is a problem for Tesla. And a lot of people are finding that their original dates that they had for their delivery has been changed over to a further date. And so let's talk about it. And so there's something that I really suggest that Tesla should do moving forward, is to either invest or acquire more battery companies. Instead of using a third-party supplier, they should just use their stock to purchase their whole company. And that way, they can either have control of supply, and everything moving forward would be a lot easier for them. Because there's something that Tesla said on their earnings call that really opened my eyes. And that's that when Elon Musk said that it doesn't matter if there's a high demand of vehicles if they cannot produce a vital component. Meaning, or an example would be an airbag. So if they can't produce airbags, then there's no point of having them produce a lot of electric vehicles, because the airbags are a vital component to Tesla. So it doesn't matter about demand. And that's why I think that Tesla should start acquiring some of their manufacturers, some of the battery companies, and third, chip making companies that make chips, because these components are vital for Tesla's success. And Tesla has a lot more cash right now than they obviously need. They have a huge $600 to $700 billion market cap, and I'm sure that they could acquire some of the companies using an all-stock purchase deal. And this will definitely help out with Tesla moving forward. I think that a lot more battery companies should also partner up with Tesla in order to fulfill the demand that is coming. 2020 has given us a taste of the demand. And now we must invest in our future for clean energy in order for us to fix the problems that we've done with our carbon emission vehicles that we've basically had with oil and gas vehicles. So, my suggestion is acquire some battery companies, acquire some chip making companies, and acquire some of the manufacturers that make vital components for Tesla, because we cannot allow a third-party company to basically determine whether or not we get an electric vehicle because they can't make a vital component. What I think moving forward is for next year is Tesla is probably going to take the Model 3 design and figure out how they can get the cost down cheaper by removing parts. They've already started to remove parts as far as radar and lumbar support, but I do see them actually removing more parts in order to drive the cost down of their Tesla vehicles. So this was another short video that I'm bringing to you guys. I want you guys to fill in your questions, your comments, and let's get a discussion. Let's help Tesla build a better company, because it is the best company on earth. All right, that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, would you like to win a Tesla Model 3? All you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And one lucky subscriber will win a Tesla Model 3.